polished Brahman bullhorn product is something many people admire, without ever thinking about its remarkable journey from raw material. From elegant knife handles and luxury combs to decorative crafts, drinking horns, buttons, and premium accessories, these products combine natural beauty with durability that synthetic materials often struggle to match. Each finished horn carries unique colors, patterns, and textures that can never be duplicated. That natural individuality is exactly what makes horn products so valuable. Yet while people appreciate the final craftsmanship, very few ever see the process. Today we're going inside a modern white-gray Brahman bullhorn processing factory to uncover the complete manufacturing journey from raw horn
to beautifully finished products ready for customers around the world. Brahman cattle are well known for their strength and adaptability.
but their horns also represent an important natural resource. Rather than allowing these horns to become waste after normal livestock processing, manufacturers transform them into durable, high-value products used across fashion, home decor, traditional crafts, and luxury accessories. Unlike plastic, every horn is naturally unique. Its layers, colors, and grain patterns create one-of-a-kind designs that artisans carefully preserve. Turning an irregular natural material into precise, high-quality products requires skill, specialized machinery, and careful quality control at every step. The manufacturing process begins as truckloads of cleaned Brahman bullhorns arrive at the processing facility from licensed meat processing operations. The horns are bundled according to size and transported carefully to prevent cracking or unnecessary damage during initial handling. Every batch is documented and sorted according to length, thickness, curvature, and overall condition for proper production routing. Large factories may process thousands of horns every week, making organized unloading essential for efficient operations. Proper handling at this stage reduces waste, improves production efficiency, and ensures each horn follows the correct manufacturing route. Once unloaded, the horns are transferred into the preparation section, where the real transformation begins with thorough cleaning.
Although the horns have already undergone basic cleaning before delivery, the factory performs another thorough high-pressure washing process.
High-pressure washing systems remove remaining dirt, oils, and surface contaminants, while workers carefully inspect every horn for damage. Workers carefully inspect every horn for hidden cracks, insect damage, or structural weaknesses that could affect later processing stages. The horns are then dried inside temperature-controlled drying rooms. Removing excess moisture is essential because trapped water creates problems. Trapped water can create problems during cutting, heating, and shaping, so complete drying prepares the material perfectly for next steps. After drying, technicians separate the horns into different production categories, depending on the type of finished product they will become. Careful preparation creates consistency for every step that follows. Now the horns begin taking on their future purpose through cutting. Industrial bandsaws remove the solid horn tips, while precision cutting machines divide each horn into sections based on product specifications. Every cut is carefully planned to maximize material usage while preserving the horn's strongest areas for durable finished products. Depending on the final design, some sections are sliced into flat pieces, while others remain curved for decorative products. Machines trim rough edges before powerful grinding equipment smooths uneven surfaces on the horn sections.
What's the reading on that section? Looks like 4.2 millimeters. We need to take it down another tenth.
The natural horn is gradually changing from an irregular raw material into accurately shaped components ready for industrial processing.
This is where the horn undergoes its most dramatic transformation. Natural horn becomes flexible when exposed to carefully controlled heat and pressure.
Large heating chambers soften the material without damaging its internal structure, preparing it for precise shaping under pressure.
Once softened, hydraulic presses flatten curved horn sections into smooth sheets or shape them into precise forms depending on the final product. Temperature, pressure, and timing are carefully monitored because overheating can weaken the horn, while insufficient heating makes shaping impossible. After forming, computer-guided machining equipment cuts precise outlines, drills holes, and refines every detail with remarkable accuracy.
CNC machines provide remarkable accuracy, while skilled operators oversee each stage to preserve the horn's natural appearance throughout machining.
By the end of this process, the raw horn has been completely transformed into recognizable product components with consistent dimensions and refined surfaces. With every component prepared, assembly begins. Some products require multiple horn pieces to be bonded together using industrial adhesives, while others are fitted with metal hardware, wooden inserts, or stainless steel fittings, depending on their intended use and design. Experienced workers carefully align each part before automated clamping systems hold everything securely during the curing process. After assembly, every product moves through multiple polishing stages. Fine abrasive wheels gradually remove machining marks from the surface. Soft buffing wheels create the glossy finish that makes natural horn so visually striking and premium in appearance. This combination of skilled craftsmanship and industrial precision transforms individual components into finished products that are both beautiful and durable.
Before any product leaves the production floor, it must pass strict quality inspection under bright inspection lighting.
Digital measuring equipment verifies dimensions within extremely tight tolerances, ensuring every piece meets exact production standards.
Some products undergo strength testing to confirm they can withstand normal everyday use without failure or structural weakness. If any item fails inspection, it is either reworked, refinished, or removed from production entirely to protect standards.
Quality control protects not only the manufacturer, but also the customer, ensuring every finished horn product meets high standards. After final approval, the products move into the packaging department, where each item is carefully cleaned one final time. Each item is carefully cleaned one final time before being wrapped in protective materials that prevent scratches during transportation. Automatic labeling machines apply product information, tracking codes, and batch numbers for complete traceability throughout the supply chain. Finished products are packed into cartons with protective inserts before robotic palletizing systems stack boxes into stable shipping loads. Robotic palletizing systems stack boxes into stable shipping loads, while stretch wrapping securely holds every pallet together for transport. Stretch wrapping securely holds every pallet together, protecting the products throughout long-distance transportation to global destinations. At this point, the manufacturing process is complete, but the journey is far from over. As packaged pallets enter the warehouse, forklifts transport pallets into tall storage racks, while barcode scanners instantly update digital inventory systems with exact locations. Temperature-controlled storage areas help preserve product quality, while automated inventory management keeps stock moving efficiently at all times.
Behind the scenes, careful warehouse logistics ensure that thousands of products remain organized and ready for shipment at any time.
All right, last layer of wrap.
Got the strap secure, pallets ready to go.
Forklifts retrieve the correct pallets and move them toward loading docks where trucks or shipping containers are waiting. Manifest confirms 50 crates, everything loaded correctly.
Confirmed. Straps are tensioned.
Depending on the destination, products may travel by road, rail, sea, or air before arriving at regional distribution centers. From there, the products continue through retail supply chains, moving steadily closer to the people who will eventually use them.
Eventually, these beautifully crafted horn products arrive in specialty stores, luxury boutiques, gift shops, craft suppliers, and online retailers.
Each product reflects hours of careful industrial processing and skilled craftsmanship from start to finish. What began as a raw Brahman bullhorn has completed an extraordinary transformation through cleaning, cutting, heating, shaping, machining, polishing. Inspection, packaging, and global distribution complete the path that turns natural material into valued finished goods. The next time you see a polished horn product, you'll know that behind its elegant appearance lies a fascinating manufacturing journey, one where nature, engineering precision, and human skill come together to create something truly remarkable from a simple natural resource. Nature, engineering precision, and human skill come together to create something truly remarkable that people around the world can appreciate and use.